This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Oreo-style biscuits are made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every great biscuit starts here, at the raw material intake zone. Large sacks of wheat flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and food-grade oils arrive on pallets, ready for inspection. Workers carefully check each delivery, scanning labels and verifying quality before materials move forward. Forklifts transport the ingredients across the warehouse as conveyor belts run continuously in the background. Strict hygiene protocols and controlled handling protect ingredient purity at every step. This is where quality control begins, ensuring every biscuit meets the same high standard. Precision takes center stage at this stage of production. Fine cocoa powder and refined wheat flour are measured with exact accuracy, ensuring perfect balance in every batch. As the ingredients are poured into massive stainless steel hoppers, the process slows down, revealing clouds of fine particles drifting through the air. Each falling grain plays a crucial role in defining the flavor, color, and texture of the biscuits. Soft pouring sounds blend with subtle mechanical clicks, marking the moment where raw ingredients officially become part of a carefully controlled recipe. The journey continues deeper into the factory's core. A smooth drone-style tracking shot moves between endless rows of ingredient silos and automated feeders, each system calibrated for exact timing and accuracy. Gentle streams of steam rise into the air, revealing active flow inside the machinery, while LED indicator lights glow in precise patterns, confirming real-time control at every stage. Air vents release steady breaths of pressure, and the machinery pulses in a calm, rhythmic cycle. A silent coordination of technology and precision that ensures ingredients are delivered flawlessly, batch after batch. Now, the transformation truly begins. Inside these massive industrial mixers, carefully measured ingredients come together as one. Thick chocolate biscuit dough slowly rotates, folding and blending under powerful stainless steel paddles. Every movement is controlled, every rotation timed to perfection. Each ingredient is carefully balanced to achieve Oreo's unmistakable crunch and bold chocolate flavor. A texture engineered through motion, pressure, and time. As the mixers hum deeply and the drums resonate, this is where raw materials become identity, shaping the taste recognized around the world. Behind the glass, total control is maintained. Inside the control room, skilled technicians monitor digital panels displaying live data temperature levels, moisture balance, and precise mixing speeds. Button clicks and electronic beeps echo softly, synchronized with the steady mechanical pulse beyond the glass. This is where technology safeguards quality, ensuring every batch follows the exact same standard, without deviation. The process moves forward without pause. Freshly mixed dough travels through enclosed stainless steel pipelines, sealed and protected as it flows toward the forming machines. The camera tracks alongside the system, revealing a continuous, controlled transfer designed to preserve texture and consistency. A low metallic resonance fills the space, accompanied by the steady movement of material inside the pipes. Nothing is exposed, nothing is wasted. Every pathway is engineered for efficiency, hygiene, and precision as production advances to the next stage. Precision reaches its most visible form. In a macro view, the chocolate dough is pressed into flawless round biscuit shapes, each one stamped with intricate, embossed patterns that define its iconic look. Every press is uniform, every detail exact. As the biscuits move seamlessly forward, they enter the high-temperature baking oven, where controlled heat begins the final transformation. Warm air circulates steadily inside the chamber, and subtle mechanical movements guide the trays ahead, the moment where structure, crunch, and character are locked into every biscuit. Automation takes over with flawless accuracy. Robotic arms swiftly remove the freshly baked biscuit shells from the oven, handling each piece with precise, calculated movements. The biscuits are carefully aligned onto cooling conveyors, ensuring uniform spacing and airflow for consistent cooling. Every motion is monitored, every step synchronized. Every batch is refined and tested for consistency and quality. Heat is gradually released as the biscuits stabilize in structure and texture. Robotic motion beeps blend with the smooth conveyor flow, maintaining perfect rhythm across the line. Time slows down in this critical moment. Freshly baked chocolate biscuits move gently along the cooling line, releasing soft streams of steam as excess heat escapes. Under dramatic, focused lighting, every detail of the surface is revealed. The crisp edges, the deep chocolate tone, and the perfectly set texture. Cooling happens gradually, allowing the structure to stabilize without compromise. The factory fades into a quiet rhythm as soft ambient tones merge with a cinematic underscore, emphasizing the transition from heat to balance, a calm pause before the biscuits continue toward their final stage. Speed and precision converge at the packaging line. In a tight close-up, automated wrapping and sealing machines move in perfect synchronization, enclosing each biscuit inside its branded Oreo-Style pack. Seals snap cleanly into place as label rollers glide smoothly across the surface, while soft bursts of air guide each pack forward. Every movement is timed to the millisecond, protecting freshness and presentation. This final mechanical dance ensures every pack leaves the line sealed, uniform, and ready for delivery exactly as intended. A wider view reveals the full scale of the operation. A sweeping drone shot captures the entire packaging hall, where dozens of workers and robotic systems operate side by side in perfect efficiency under bright factory lights. Human oversight and advanced automation move in harmony, maintaining speed, accuracy, and quality at every station. As modern industrial music drives the rhythm, the scene reflects a finely tuned system built for continuous, high-volume perfection. Before the journey reaches its final step, absolute attention to detail takes over. Beneath bright LED inspection stations, workers in full safety gear carefully examine every sealed biscuit pack, checking weight accuracy, seal strength, and visual perfection. Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Soft inspection beeps confirm each successful verification, while the constant ambient hum of the factory reinforces a controlled, disciplined environment. This final quality checkpoint ensures consistency, safety, and trust, guaranteeing that only biscuits meeting the highest standards are approved for distribution. The final stage begins at the loading bay. Forklifts carefully lift and stack Oreo-Style branded cartons, moving them efficiently toward waiting delivery trucks. Under warm factory lights, the cartons are secured and organized, ready for transport. The steady movement of forklifts blends with the low rumble of truck engines, a signal that production is complete and distribution is underway. As the day draws to a close, the full scale of the operation is revealed. A cinematic pan-up lifts above the Biscuit factory, where metallic surfaces reflect the golden glow of the setting sun. Inside, precision never rests. Every system, every process working in harmony. As uplifting orchestral music rises, the factory stands as a symbol of craftsmanship, technology, and consistency, delivering the same iconic taste, batch after batch.
And that's how Oreo-style biscuits are made. 100x entry essence from start to finish.